Hello. In this video, we will look at how to add new container types in Clarity LIMS. Launch the Clarity LIMS operations interface, and then go to Configuration at the top of the screen, choose Containers and Types. In here, you will find all of the currently configured container types in your system. To add a new one, click Add. First, you can give it a new container name. Then, you will be selecting how many rows or columns is configured for this container. In this example, I have set up a 48 well plate with 6 rows and 8 columns. To hold wells for special use, such as standards or controls, you can mark certain well locations as unavailable in this interface. Now I have marked both column 1 and 2 as unavailable, and samples can only be placed into these well locations on the plate. Go ahead and click Save, and hit Done. Now this 48 well plate is available for choosing in the Lab Scientist interface. I will now configure one specific step to use the 48 well plate we just created. I will go to the Enrich DNA Fragment step here, and add 48 well plate by clicking into this bar. Now after I save step, the users will be able to place samples in 48 well plate when they record this step. This is how their ice bucket view would look like before they hit begin work. Both 48 well and 96 well plates are listed as available destination containers. When they choose 48 well plate and hit begin work, on the sample placement screen, they will have the exact layout as we designed for 48 well plate. Notice also that the first 2 columns are blocked for use, so samples cannot be dropped onto these locations. This is how you can quickly add a new container type and configure steps to be associated with it in Clarity LIMS.